Guys, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and I really thought you guys might enjoy this video. This is my $100 Dollar Tree Christmas decoration haul. Okay, so everything I got here I got from Dollar Tree. Now we know it used to be $1, but unfortunately prices have gone up, but it's still like really cheap, an affordable way for you to get like Christmas decor without like breaking the bank, particularly if you're like trying to decorate smaller spaces, which I am. So if you are trying to do that, very economical and fun way to decorate for the holidays if you hit up your local Dollar Tree or dollar store or what have you. So anyway, we're just gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I picked up today, and hopefully you guys will get some inspiration and maybe you can find some Christmas decor in your area too. Okay, so to start off, these are like 3-foot candy canes that I found, which are gonna be dope. Gonna use them in my videos. Only $3 freaking. Wow. Here we have trees, like mini Christmas trees. They're so cool. Like so they had blue, obviously, white, and pink. So fun. And these even have like little lights that come with them. Look at that. Ooh, so neat. These are gonna be really cool. I'm gonna decorate them all, and that's gonna be really fun. And as you can see here, I picked up like a ton of filler and fake snow. I'm going to use a lot of this to like make my own custom Christmas bulbs. As you can see, I got a lot of it and it's really cool. I got some white snow, some blue snow. This is some red filler right here. I also got some gold filler that I showed first. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. Everything at the dollar store, well, mostly everything, is now like $1.25 FYI. These are like some mini bulbs I got for my mini Christmas trees, you know. Hey, those are so cool. Some of these have glitter, they're shiny, some of them are like a matte finish. These are really super neat, and I'm gonna use them to decorate my little mini trees that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And if you haven't already, guys, please make sure you like the video. It helps me out, helps me create this awesome content. And if you haven't already, subscribe. So here I have like a little snowman. I have a few of these. I have a Christmas hat, Merry Christmas, hey. And I don't know what these would normally be used for, like paperweights. I don't know. They're so cute. I'm going to use them as tree toppers though, which I think is going to be really fun. All right. I also got this little guy. He's a gingerbread man. I don't know what you would use him for. I guess you could like hang him on a door or just like a random piece of furniture. He's dope. Christmas lights, of course you need them. Now mind you, these are only, you see 20 mini lights, so these are obviously for little trees and little spaces. And I also found some string lights that I think will be really fun to use. So yeah, little spaces, tablecloth, bam, there it is. Hey, I'm gonna need that to make this table pretty. And there we have some garland. Now they had this is like a really cool bronze garland that I just had to have. This is like a white garland with, I don't know what kind of trucks on here. I'll probably take that off. I don't know what the truck stuff is about. Here we have some silver garland, and then yeah, I had some funnels, and the funnels is obviously for the fillers in my bulb. So not as exciting, but definitely necessary. And yeah, there's some of my haul. Isn't it pretty and wonderful? Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. That is my haul. I hope you enjoyed my lovely decorations. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned because you're going to see all these lovely decorations in action.